Today's top 10 AI stories. Your first story today on the AI Chronicle, H2LooP Secures $2 to scale AI platform for embedded systems. AI startup H2Loop has raised $2 about 18.59 crore rupees in its seed funding round led by Special Invest and the new capital will accelerate hiring, infrastructure build-out, and product development. Expect new product announcements and potential follow-on deals within the quarter. Next on the AI Chronicle, ModelBest raises funding, enters $1 billion plus foundation model unicorn tier. Chinese on-device AI foundation model maker ModelBest raised several hundred million RMB, USD tens of millions, led by Shenzhen Capital Group and Innovance Capital, reaching unicorn status after 3 rounds in the past year. The new capital will accelerate hiring, infrastructure build-out, and product development. Expect new product announcements and potential follow-on deals within the quarter. Coming up on the AI Chronicle, LLM Wiki Revolution, how Andrej Karpathy's idea is changing AI. Think about revisiting items you've saved to Pocket, Notion or your bookmarks. Most people don't have the time to reread all of these things after they've saved them to these various apps, unless they have a need. We are excellent at collecting tons of information. However, we are just not very good at making any. The post-LLM Wiki revolution, how Andrej Karpathy's idea is changing AI appeared first on Analytics Vidya. Here's your next story on the AI Chronicle. As AI agents take on more tasks, governance becomes a priority. AI systems are starting to move beyond simple responses. In many organizations, AI agents are now being tested to plan tasks, make decisions, and carry out actions with limited human input. It is no longer just about whether a model gives the right answer. It is about what happens when that model is allowed to. The post as AI agents take on more tasks, governance becomes a priority appeared first on AI News. Next up in your AI Chronicle briefing, I tested Gemini on Android Auto and now I can't stop talking to it. 5 tasks it nails. I didn't see much benefit for Google's AI until now. Here are my favorite ways to use the new Gemini integration in my car. Industry analysts and competitors will respond as more details become public. Follow-up announcements and product roadmap updates are expected in the coming weeks. Coming next on the AI Chronicle, Elon Musk asks SpaceX IPO banks to buy Grok AI subscriptions, report. Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America and Citigroup are serving as active bookrunners or the lead banks managing the deal. Reuters reported industry groups are expected to respond with lobbying efforts and proposed amendments. Companies have a narrow window to adjust their products before any rules take effect. Your next story on the AI Chronicle, Doubao surpasses 120 trillion daily tokens as usage doubles in 3 months. According to Volcano Engine, the Seedance 2.0 API has entered public beta for enterprise users. As of March this year, Doubao, an AI large model developed by ByteDance, has seen its daily token usage exceed 120 trillion, doubling over the past 3 months and increasing 1,000-fold compared to its launch in May 2024. Currently, the number of. Here's what's next on the AI Chronicle. Iran threatens to destroy OpenAI's $30 billion Stargate data center in Abu Dhabi. In short, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard courts has released a video threatening complete and utter annihilation of OpenAI's $30 billion Stargate AI campus in Abu Dhabi, singling out the facility by name for the first time and warning it will strike if the US proceeds with threatened attacks on Iranian civilian infrastructure. A senior officer in Iran's This story continues at the next web. Up next on the AI Chronicle, Samsung flags 8-fold jump in quarterly profit as AI chip demand pumps prices. Samsung has emerged as one of the major beneficiaries of the AI data center boom that has constrained supply for traditional chips. Industry analysts and competitors will respond as more details become public. Follow-up announcements and product roadmap updates are expected in the coming weeks. And finally, on the AI Chronicle today, OpenAI alums have been quietly investing from a new, potentially $100 million fund. Zero Shot, a new venture capital fund with deep ties to OpenAI, is aiming to raise $100 million for its first fund. It has already written some checks. The new capital will accelerate hiring, infrastructure build-out, and product development. Expect new product announcements and potential follow-on deals within the quarter. Enjoying the AI Chronicle? Please like, follow, subscribe, comment and share. Help us make AI knowledge reachable for more people. Your support helps us produce better quality news every day. That's your AI Chronicle update for today. Hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell for daily AI news. See you tomorrow.